Hello everyone, welcome to Sabre Virtual Demo, our brief videos explaining different features of Business Central and related products. In this episode, we're going to look at Microsoft AppSource and customizations and extensions in Business Central. So here I am logged into Business Central, and let's go take a look at the extensions. So from here I can actually get into extensions from the menu. I can also search and look for extension management. So what we see here, we see the installed extensions. Most of these are for Microsoft, except for one, which is actually a Sabre Limited extension that we've installed. And I'm going to go to Manage, and I'm going to go to Extension Marketplace. And this is where I want to really dig in a little bit. Much like your iPhone or your Android phone, AppSource is a marketplace for different apps for Business Central and some of the other Microsoft products as well. When we first got involved with Business Central, there were about 60 apps in AppSource. There are 792 today. So in the last 2 years, there have been over 700 apps added to this app store, and there are more coming all the time. As you can see, there's a large number of apps to choose from, and we can scroll down and keep going and keep going and keep going. But what the most important thing to understand about AppSource is the purpose of it is to fill in the gaps that Microsoft has chosen not to focus on themselves. Microsoft wants to make Business Central a very strong core ERP system, but they want to make it very easy for third parties to make extensible, meaning extensions of the Business Central system, and they want those to be easily upgraded and easily managed and maintained by those companies. So they've created an entirely new development environment for Business Central. This is my development environment, and I have Visual Studio Code, which is a Microsoft tool, which is designed for software developers to use. And in Visual Studio Code, we've installed the AL programming language, which is the language used by Business Central. So from this particular extension, we can actually do custom programming. We can take that custom programming and upload it into a customer's environment, or we can upload it to AppSource, depending on whether we meet the criteria that Microsoft requires. And then once it's in AppSource, it becomes available as an app for clients to look at. So AppSource, I think, is one of the powers of Microsoft Dynamics. It allows us as a partner to put together, almost like Lego blocks, the best system possible for that client, and not have to rely necessarily on Microsoft getting something fixed or developing some feature or functionality, but rather being able to go in and choose from over 700 different add-ons that people have created to add certain functionality that Microsoft might not have. For instance, here's an ODT rentals capability to manage rental units, quotes, contracts, and recurring invoices, just as an example of something that was added to Business Central by a third party. So that's our overview of AppSource. I hope you're as excited about it as I am. I think that it makes the system incredibly flexible and allows customers to cater and design basically their Business Central implementation to suit the way they need to run their business. Thank you for watching this video. Please follow our channel by clicking here, or click here for the next great video. We look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.